The best chili dogs you can make at home. Easy, simple beef chili hot dogs. Call it chili cheese hot dogs at home.
Born hungry is delicious, delicious. Man born hungry is delicious, delicious. Man born hungry is delicious, delicious.
Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. We are making chili dogs. Very easy, simple, delicious. Call it a New York style chili cheese dogs. So I'm using beef hot dogs, ground beef, and the buns. We have easy ingredients, salt and pepper. We are building the chili. Chili is the main ingredient for this. Let's take the meat out. Here you go. The first thing in the pot goes our ground beef. 5 tablespoons of the oil. This is 1 pound of the ground beef. Let's take an onion. Let's dice the onion into small cubes.
Born hungry is delicious.
Let's take half of the chopped onion, add it right here. Another half, we will leave it for the toppings. Another half is sitting right here for the topping. As I mentioned earlier, this is 1 pound of the ground beef. We are making chili out of it. At least 5-6 cloves of garlic, rough dice, and add it in here.
Look at that.
Let's take the bell pepper. Same, just dice it into small pieces. The chili is the main thing for this chili dog recipe, of course.
Look at that.
So initially we have to cook this on a high flame at least for 10 to 15 minutes, and in same time you're adding the vegetables and we will be adding seasoning to it to give the best flavor. Let's go towards the dry ingredients. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the monosodium glutamate, MSG, black pepper, 1 tablespoon, cumin, and that's what it is. Half tablespoon of the salt. So the dry seasonings are done. Give it a mix. Let's fry this for 10 minutes on the high flame now. It's been 10 minutes. Our ground beef is ready. Let's make a chili out of it now. So here you go. Let's take pinto beans for it. A whole can. And here you go, our pinto beans. Let's take tomato sauce. 1 can. Same. Goes in here.
Delicious.
Take 1 jalapeno for it. Same. Dice it. Add it in here.
Born hungry.
The jalapeno. Now take water. I'm adding 2 cups of it. Look at this chili over. This is how it's supposed to look. Delicious beef chili. It's not done. We have to cover it with the lid on top and we will boil it at least for 15 minutes. At this stage, you can taste test the salt and pepper if you want to add. It needs half tablespoon more salt. Eyeball it. Here you go. Just mix it after adding the salt. And my friend, 15 minutes, put it on medium flame. Let's grab our cast iron and fry our beef hot dog. You can put these beef hot dogs in here and cook it for 15 minutes. It will be ready. But I like the crusty, little bit, the charred touch on the hot dog. Here is the cast iron. I hope they both fit in here. My dogs. Just 2 tablespoons of oil will do it. And we are just 5 minutes away to get these delicious chili dogs. Let's take out our bun and let's start the process. Yum. Here you go, the cheddar cheese. Let's land it right here. Grab the delicious roasted hot dog right here. Easy, simple, homemade, delicious chili dog, you can say. Completely done. I was telling you about the topping, right? So have some sliced onion, add it in here. And that's what it is. Mix and match, you can create as many flavors as you want. Let's take some mustard in here. Take the dog. Here goes the chili. This is how it's supposed to be. Let's take some ketchup. These are the delicious chili dogs. They are completely done. The first row is with the cheese. This is without the cheese. This is the taste test. I still have 2 more dogs to go. Our delicious chili is sitting right here. Wow, man. Okay, here you go. I'm trying the first one with the cheese. Is it good enough? Looks like it. Let's go. Soothing. Let's try the ketchup, the mustard, without cheese. This is a premium bite for it. Make this delicious chili dogs. Simple, easy chili dogs. Make it. Kids will love it. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one with another delicious, easy recipe you can make at home. Enjoy this recipe, man. It's so good. Seriously. Best part, you can put as much chili as you want in here. There you go. It's fresh. Ooh. Messy yet delicious.